Hey everyone, thanks for joining again. Another video on a healthy diet continuation. Uh, just went grocery shopping and picked up some veggies. So what I'm planning to do for this video is show you some of the vegetables and fruits I use to juice. You know, we can call it juice diet, juice cleanse, whatever the trendy thing is these days. But what I found is when I juice vegetables and fruits, and I drink that throughout the day in place of big meals, I do feel a lot better. I do have more energy, and I just feel lighter, less bloated, things like that. So I'm sure it's got a lot of health benefits. There's a lot of articles out there, so I don't want to talk about all the health benefits, but we know it's good. So without further delay, I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I bought and I'm going to juice here. Okay, so here's what we got. So from left to right, got beets with the stalks and the leaves, Swiss chard, English cucumber, gala apples, broccoli, and celery. So this is what we're going to use to make our healthy juice for the day. So what I'm gonna do is get these vegetables washed and cleaned up, and we're gonna need to clean up the beets a bit. So peel off the skin off the roots here to help with our juicing. Great. So we've got all these vegetables washed and rinsed under water, and so now we're gonna start chopping them and beginning to juice. So as you notice, I'm not using all the vegetables. I'm just using some of them. So I got 3 stalks of celery, half of the cucumber, 1 apple, 1 small half root of beet, but I'm going to use this one too. I just had some from previously. 2 leaves of Swiss chard and one beet there. So what I'm going to do is put these away, and because these are pretty much ready to be juiced, although they may not fit your juicer, so we're going to chop them up a little bit, make it easier for the juicer. So just some random sliced pieces, and cut off those ends. We're not going to use these. And I get the apple sliced up. And you know, you can take the seed and the stalk out. You don't have to. You can just put it all in the juicer. But for now, just make sure. Well, I just want to make sure it's all cleaned up. So I will remove the seeds as well. You can quickly just remove them. Watch your fingers. Okay, great. Apples are ready. Same idea with the beet leaves. So we're actually going to juice the beet leaves as well. We just want to make them small pieces. What I do with the beet is just cut it off right below that where the stalk begins and cut off the tail. And then I'm just going to cut off this piece. This one's going to be thrown out, and we are going to juice the rest. And the rest, these should fit in. And yeah, with the beet, so we don't want to juice the skin, at least I don't like to, so what we're going to do is peel the skin off it. You can probably use a potato peeler as well. I'm going to try that. Yeah, that's much easier. So beet is really good for your body, for your blood. It detoxifies the liver. Okay, so we got these chopped up into pieces. I may not juice all of this because it is strong and it's got a strong flavor. So yeah, the next stage we're gonna juice everything that we just chopped up. Okay, we're back. We got the juicer set up here. So what I like to do with the juicer here is just put a small grocery bag or a plastic bag in the catcher. It will help the cleanup process later. You can do that with your juicer. I do recommend it. And yeah, it's all ready to go. So we're just gonna go ahead and plug it in and get juicing. So I got all of our veggies. Okay, perfect. So we got more than a pint of juice here. I'm just gonna mix it up. Okay, so we've got our awesome juice, very healthy. Got a bit of foam on there too, so you might have some pulp in there, but that's gonna be good. Don't throw that away, and enjoy. Cheers.